So XLM, known as Stellar as well. I think I've never covered this coin ever. This coin, XRP, QNT, and who else is there in the club? I think that's pretty much it. This is a trios club that generally goes hand in hand, which means that if the days are good for XRP, then they are going to be good for Quant. They're going to be good for XLM as well. That's the way it is promoted in the market. That's where on TikTok, on X now, it was called Twitter before they changed the name anyway. The overall influencers, when they are promoting coins, when they pick XRP, they go with XLM and Quant as well. And when they created this overall news around ISO 2002 or something, they came up with the ISO to use it as an excuse to push QNT, XLM, and XRP. All that stuff, all that crap that continue to happen together. So it's a bunch that goes hand in hand together. That's from the hype's perspective. But if we look at it from the perspective of technical analysis, I'm not going to touch the fundamentals. I'm not going to stretch this video any further. It has over-delivered. It has hit 63 cents. It's almost the price that we have seen from XLM in 2017 and in 2021. It is getting closer to those prices. So right now, the structure that we are seeing on XLM on Binance would not be enough. So I'm going to show you the one that is on CoinMarketCap to give you the idea. It has actually created a double bottom on this structure. But of course, the neckline is way up. The neckline is, just a second, I'll tell you where the hell the neckline is. The neckline is at 58, and that is, just a second. Okay, it is on the neckline, so that means, did we hit the neckline? Yes, we have. Okay, so 58 cents is the neckline. It is sitting at 54 cents right now. We have hit 63.74. So for XLM to continue with its upward journey and start achieving targets like $2, crazy stuff like that, it really needs to hold on to 58 cents. It is sitting below it right now, but that's the neckline. It needs to hold 58 cents if it wants to shoot up towards $2, and then we will start covering it on regular basis if we get to that stage. Otherwise, if it is not able to break above 58 cents and sustain there, then we are going to talk about downward journey. And we can pretty much assume that XLM is trying to cool off. Now, when we are talking about cool off, we are talking about a support area of 40 cents. It's 41. I'll call it 40, so that way I'll easily remember. It's hard to remember 41. But it's not to blame XLM for taking a breather, because this is how it looks like. It has moved up 600%, and I wouldn't blame it to come down and breathe a bit, because it's too much of a movement in such a short span of time. So it has moved from 8 cents to 63 cents. It's more than 600%. And right now, if we look at it on a daily, it is creating a double top, and that's the main reason of offering a 41 cents. This is the neckline of the double top. If it comes down, this neckline should hold. If it doesn't, then it's going to start shooting down, and it's not going to be anything unnatural. We have seen this thing with XLM in the past as well, but in the past XLM had way more structure. In the past, that's how it looked like in 2021. There was so much noise, and this is on a weekly. Right now, what you're seeing is just this. And it's crazy because it's just 2 candles to up, and now the third candle is in formation. So there's not much of noise in the area, which means that a lot of trading needs to happen. XLM needs to spend weeks above 41 cents, and it needs to hold. And then we can have our overall trust in XLM that XLM is going to go towards higher prices. Historically, XLM has struggled with 41 cents. This is 41 cents. All of its life is below it. A very little life is above 41 cents. And when I say little amount of time above 41 cents, I'll tell you exactly how much time. So this is 41 cents. So from the month of, when did it start going up? It started going up here. So this is February 2021, and then it said its goodbye in May. That's, yeah, in the start of May, in the first week of May, it started going down. So you can say somewhere around 10th of May. So February, March, April, May, 3 months, 3 months and 10 days, 3 months or 2 weeks. It has almost stayed up above 41 cents for 3 months, and the rest of its life it has of course stayed below 41 cents, and now for the first time again it is above it. So 41 cents has a historical reference as well. So it's not just this double top that we are relying on. Historically, 41 cents has been an area where it was turned into support, lived above it for 3 months, and then it turned into resistance and then lived below it for 3 years. So 41 cents is going to be extremely important in case of XLM. If it loses 41 cents, then things would start getting really nasty, because XLM has proved that it can go to 4 cents, 5 cents from 60 cents. It has that kind of capability. So 41 cents is too far, but 58 cents is close towards 54. You need to see, I'm not going to record any video anytime soon. You need to see, will it break 58 cents or not? The moment it breaks 58 cents and starts living above it for at least 2 days, that will give you a bit of confirmation that, okay, now it is trying to go up towards higher targets, and then we can slowly start talking about $1, then $2, all those targets. But it needs to start living above 58 cents. If it is not able to live above 58 cents, then I'm going to pretty much assume that it is going to take its sweet time, but it is going to come down towards 41. And then at 41, we are going to decide what the hell to do with it. Is it going to lose 41 as well and start going down? And when we talk about down, the downward journey is horrible, because it is going to go towards 20 cents. So it's going to be a dramatic drop of 300% from 63 cents towards 20 cents. If you take it from the bottom, it's 300%. Of course, if you take it from top, the maximum you get is 100%. There's going to be a negative 300% for those who didn't participate in taking profit. So always have targets, always take some profits. Don't always keep yourself open in the most crazy manner out there, because if you do that, then it's going to always come back and bite you, because nothing always stays up. They always go down. So that's pretty much it with the XLM. I don't have anything else to add. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.